Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. NFP a comfortable assumption for further big payroll climb analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 353806 2028 41 8 am. Recent U.S. economic reports have been mixed, but the bulk of the surprises have been on the high side. ETA an important end of the week where the economic releases will provide the latest read on the recovery. With July durable goods, trade, inventories, and most of the housing data in hand, we were able to better calibrate Q3 GDP. The various July reports prompted a further hike in the wider forecast to 32.5%, following what we now expect will be a boost in Q2 GDP growth to 31.6% from 31.7%. And markets now peg 2020 GDP growth at 3.6% YY and 2.3% Q4, much better than the FOMC's current central tendency of 5.5% to 7.6%. However, the August employment report tomorrow is the big dog this week. The August non-farm payroll is anticipated to show a gain at 1,800,000, as most measures of output continued to climb through August. Initial claims have slowly tightened, and a big 2,416,000 continuing claims plunge was seen between the July and August BLS survey weeks, that is the largest on record. Meanwhile, the jobless rate is expected to fall to 10.0% from 10.2%, alongside a 1.3% August hours worked increase with a 34.5 workweek. Supporting the forecast have been the ongoing declines in continuing claims, and the resumption of the downtrend in initial jobless claims, although there is some risk given the 133,000 uptick in during the BLS survey week. The manufacturing ISM has shown continued gains from the near-record low of 27.5 in April, though the improvement in services employment stalled this month. The hourly earnings should fall 0.7% after July's 0.2% rise, as the measure gives back more of the 4.7% April pop with the shift in the composition of jobs back toward lower-paid workers. Lastly, yesterday's 428,000 August ADP payroll rise did not really affect the forecasts for the NFP release. The ADP gains have massively undershot improvement in BLS payrolls and other labor market indicators since the growth rebound began. The forecasts remain comfortable on a further big August payroll climb that substantially beats the ADP gain. Note that the change in the seasonal adjustment process for initial and continuing claims on Thursday will likely prompt big downward revisions to recent levels for both series toward their lower NSA levels, since additive seasonal factors will be smaller than multiplicative ones when the levels are high. This may prompt boosts in some market payroll estimates. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.